realm of riddles.
You are an air traffic controller. The planes you communicate with each have a board with 8 toggable lights. You always have to ensure only one light is turned on, representing the lane number to land on. However, the automated software has malfunctioned, and a plane will soon crash into the one on lane 6. You must manually flip switches to send the plane to lane 3 instead. You quickly look at the manual, but all pages have been ripped out, except for the following examples. Example 1. Example 2. Example 3. Which switch configuration is required to send the incoming plane to lane 3? Pause the video now to solve the riddle for yourself. You want the third light to turn on. Each switch you flip up adds its own position number to a sum that determines the light that will turn on. If the sum is more than 8, then the device malfunctions and all lights turn on. You must flip switches such that their position total is 3. This leaves us with the 2 solutions below, using either position 3 or positions 1 plus 2. Just in time, you turn on the third light, and the plane lands on lane 3.